Dear DJ Chloe, just call me Grace. 18 years old and I just want to share my story. May boyfriend po ako. Nanligaw siya from first year high school hanggang fourth year high school. Sinagot ko po siya after graduation last year ng March. Nung una po, super saya ng relationship namin. We would even be intimate sometimes after school. I know hindi tama na may mangyari because we're too young, pero nag-start po yun nung first kiss namin and then tuloy-tuloy na. Nung first year anniversary na po namin, parang I feel na nanlalamig na siya kasi hindi man lang po niya naalala. And then ako pa ang unang nag-greet sa kanya. Sabi ko po, it's okay. Bawi na lang tayo next time. Hanggang sa dumating po yung time na may nag-chat sa kanya na super gandang girl na kapitbahay nila. Hindi ko po pinansin kasi I know na hindi niya gagawing patulan yung girl. At lagi niyang sinasabi na ako lang ang mahal niya. One day, nag-check siya ng account ko sa Facebook and then nakita niya po na nag-unblock ako ng mga boys na classmate ko. Na wala naman pong mali siya na i-add ko yung mga yon. And then bigla na lang siyang nakipaghiwalay. Ang sakit po kasi may mga girls naman pong ayaw ko din sa account niya, pero ayaw niyang i-unfriend. Until now, hindi po kami nag-uusap. He even blocked me on Facebook and Instagram. Feeling ko po, kinuha niya lang yung virginity ko at wala na siyang pake. DJ Chloe, what should I do? Please help me. And just please hide my real identity. Letter sender, Grace. Hi, Grace. Well, boys will be boys. And at this age, mga teenager pa lang kayo, even early 20s to late 20s, wala ka pang may expect ng mga seryosong relationship dyan. Na pang masyadong maturity yung mga ganyang edad, no? Eh, minsan nga, 50 na, wala pang maturity. Boys your age are all about adventures and exploring girls, kumbaga. Yung kunyari nakita niya na may mga boys kang friends bigla sa Facebook, he made use of it as an opportunity to, make gulo, to leave you, making you feel like it's your fault. O, di gaslighting na, that's why he left. Kasi may kaibigan kang boys sa Facebook na biglaan naging mga kaibigan. Well, ano naman, di ba? Mas maganda nga, wala kayong mga commitment muna, lalo na at a very young age, para you can explore. You can be friends with everyone. Huwag mo ilimit yung sarili mo sa isang tao lang. I'm not saying na huwag mong ilimit sa pagiging promiscuous or whatever. I mean, you're young. You need to explore, meet people, be friends with the opposite sex, and just enjoy your age. Minsan ka lang magiging bata. 'Di ba? Makipagkaibigan ka, mag-explore ka sa mga kapwa mo babae, go on adventures. Mag-aral lang mabuti kasi magka-college ka pa. Huwag mong ilimit yung sarili mo. These things, it happens to kahit mga matured na. Minsan may mga lalaki naghahanap lang ng good exit para makalabas sa isang relasyon na feeling nila is not serving them well anymore or feeling nila na trap sila. You're only 18 and you have a long way to go. Thank God hindi ka nabuntis. Hindi ko sinasabing tama ang ginawa ninyo, 'di ba? Pero just be thankful na hindi ka nabuntis. Can you just imagine 18 years old, mag-aalaga ka ng mga anak mo wherein dapat 'di ba, nag-e-enjoy ka. Hindi ka pinag-aaral ng parents mo para makipag-boyfriend. Okay? They're doing everything they can so you can finish school and have a chance in life. Wala kang mapapala sa pagmamadali. Coming from me. Okay? Wala kang mapapala sa pagmamadali. So appreciate that and return the big favor by being in school and finishing it. Yung ginagawa ng magulang mo para sa'yo. Wala na tayong magagawa, no? Diyan sa virginity mo if you feel that way. But don't ever think that your worth as a person, as a woman, is as intact as your virginity. It is important, however, but it's not all that matters, all right? A man destined for you will love you and accept you whether you're a virgin or not. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na okay lang na wala na. Kaya sige lang, okay? No, not that, please. What I'm telling you is it's done and over with. Move on from it and, just stop sleeping around. Matuto ka na. Sa bagay, hindi ka naman nag-sleep around kasi nga may relationship kayo. Pero yun lang, it would be best na walang ganon kasi mahirap ikaw ang talo dyan pag bigla kang nabuntis. Matuto ka na sa mga nangyayari sa'yo. Madalas, pag umayaw, ganun lang kadali, ayaw na. So, hindi mo pwedeng maging hold sa kanya na, alam mo, ikaw nakauna sa akin or something like that. It doesn't work that way. So God bless you, Grace. And I hope that you have learned your lesson. It's time to move on. It's time to accept the fact na nagkamali ka sa ganyang desisyon. Pero kung minahal mo naman siya and you were happy together, then okay lang. I'm sure may darating pang mas at karapat-dapat para sa'yo.
Hey, thanks for watching!
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.